Bitpanda versus eToro 2025. Which app is better for investing? Most people get investing apps wrong by thinking they all offer the same opportunities. In 2025, Bitpanda and eToro are two of the top platforms, but they target slightly different investors. Bitpanda is a European-based platform focused on cryptocurrency, stocks, ETFs, and precious metals. You won't believe what happens next. It offers fractional investing, recurring purchases, and a user-friendly interface that's perfect for beginners. Its built-in savings plans let users automate investments, which can grow wealth steadily over time. eToro, meanwhile, is known for social trading. Investors can copy professional traders, trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and forex. The surprising truth is that eToro's copy trading feature makes it easy for beginners to learn strategies by watching experienced traders in real time. Fees differ too. Bitpanda has trading fees built into its spreads, while eToro charges variable spreads and occasional withdrawal fees. Bitpanda excels for those who want simplicity and consistent investing options, while eToro is ideal for those seeking social trading and portfolio diversification across global assets. In conclusion, Bitpanda is best for European investors looking for beginner-friendly, automated and broad investment options. eToro is ideal for those who want interactive trading, global markets access, and the ability to follow experienced traders. Your choice in 2025 should depend on your trading style, risk tolerance, and preferred level of involvement.